Hi guys. In this video, I would like to discuss about stochastic process, the definition of the stochastic process, and then the type of the stochastic process. If you would like to receive videos like this, please subscribe this channel. And if you would like to receive notification on a new video and the arrival of new video, please click on the icon bell. Yes. So what is mean by stochastic process? This application of stochastic process is manifold in these days because in climatology, hydrology, engineering sciences, and environmental science, and everywhere so a lot of applications, because most of the process are stochastic process or random process. There is some randomness in the processes. So I would like to define stochastic process. What is stochastic process? So a stochastic process is a collection of random variable xt. That's mean xt, that is a stochastic process, and this can be defined by two things. One is the index, the t, and the other is the state space from where it will take the values. So these two things will define clearly that what is stochastic process. So there may be four different stochastic processes with the discrete index and continuous state space, with the continuous discrete index and discrete state space, with the continuous state space, continuous index and discrete state space, and with the continuous state space and continuous index. So I will discuss about these four different definition about stochastic process in the coming slide. Stochastic process with the discrete index and discrete state space. This means that the state space and index both are discrete. The example is the popular board game Monopoly can be modeled as a stochastic process. And let's suppose x0, x1, x2 represent the successive board position of an individual player. So these are the different positions at different try 0, 1, 2 and so on. That is xk. Generally we can say xk is the player board position after kth place. So this means that the player at kth try is at the position at kth position in this game. The state space is 1 to 40 because there are 40 position on the Monopoly. So there is 40 values. So this is the state space from where this stochastic process will take values, denoting the 40 squares on the Monopoly board. So there are 40 values, and okay, the index set is this one because he will try 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this index is also discrete and the state space is also discrete. So this is a stochastic process with the discrete index and discrete state space. This is the stochastic process with the discrete time or discrete index and continuous state space. An air monitoring station in South California record oxygen concentration level every hour in order to monitor smoke pollution. If it is assumed that hourly concentration level are governed by some random mechanism, then the station data can be considered a realization of a stochastic process x0, x1, x2, where xk is the oxygen concentration level at the kth hour. It's like the previous example, kth. The xk is the oxygen concentration at level at the kth hour. At kth hour, the level of oxygen concentration is xk. This will be a particular value. But this process is corrupted by some random mechanism. This means that the time is the index is discrete with the hour 1, 2, 3, 4, but the value of the oxygen concentration is continuous here. this is corrupted by some random mechanism. So in this case, the index is discrete, but the state space is continuous. You cannot define a specific value like, but this should be a range of some values. So this stochastic process is called stochastic process with discrete index and continuous state space. And this is a stochastic process with the continuous index, or you can say time, because we are using time here, so I wrote mention time here, and with the discrete state space. This is the example. Then you receive text message at random time, day and night. Let xt be the number of texts he receives up to time t. Then xt and t belong to this, meaning that greater than or equal to 0 and less than infinity is a continuous stochastic process with the discrete state space. Because the number of messages, because this stochastic process will take values from 0, 1, 2 up to so on. This is the number of messages. So the state space is discrete because it will take 0 messages, 2 messages, or 3 messages, or something like that, and some time greater than equal to a particular time. So time is continuous here, and the state space is discrete. So this is stochastic process with the discrete state space and continuous index. And the last is the stochastic process, continuous index and continuous state space. And the very good example is the Brownian motion. A Brownian motion is a continuous time, continuous state space stochastic process. The name also refers to a physical process first studied by the botanist Robert Brown in 1827. Brown showed seemingly erratic. Brown observed this seemingly erratic zigzag motion of tiny particle ejected from flowing grain suspended in water. He gave a detailed study of the phenomenon but could not explain its cause. Brown studied this Brownian motion actually in 1827. Actually, he was a botanist, but he was unable, to explain the causes of this motion. In 1905, Albert Einstein showed that the motion was a result of water molecules bombarding the particle. So in this case, the time is also continuous. You cannot use exact time or something like that. And the moment of this Brownian motion, which take the values from the state space, is also continuous. So in this case, this is a stochastic process with the continuous index and continuous state space. So now the question is that what's the type of model? Then we can we should know about the model as well. So I just briefly introduced stochastic model and discrete model, or deterministic model, not discrete model actually. So stochastic model, the model which have a random error, like this model, which whereas y is equal to alpha plus beta x plus epsilon. And a stochastic model represents the situation where uncertainty is present. So yes, uncertainty is present here. And when you are giving some input to this model, this will, when you are giving the same input to this model, the result will be changed. There will be some changes because of this random error, or you can say this is uncertainty. On the other hand, deterministic model is a model to which you give the same input every time, it will give you the same output every time. So there is no uncertainty in this model. So this model is called, you can say, deterministic model, and this is the stochastic model. So this is all about this lecture, and thank you very much everybody, and take very good care of yourself and this channel as well, and see you next time with a new video. Bye.